Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Install Visual Studio 2022 or later and choose the web development workload during setup. Enable optional components like Node, JS, Docker, and Azure tools if you plan deployment. Create a new project and pick a template such as ASP, NET Core, or React with TypeScript. Set the project folder, initialize Git, and commit your initial scaffold immediately. Use Solution Explorer to organize controllers, pages, stylus sheets, and static assets clearly. Open the integrated terminal to install packages and run npm, .NET, or other CLI commands. Start by scaffolding pages and API controllers to create consistent routing and models quickly. Use Razor pages or MVC views and components when you need server-rendered HTML. Write modular CSS or use Sass with bundling via Webpack or the built-in bundler. Set breakpoints, inspect locals, and step through asynchronous code in the Visual Studio debugger. Test APIs with Postman or the integrated HTTP client and run live server previews. Write unit tests with XUnit or MSTest and run Test Explorer for continuous validation. Configure app settings and environment variables securely and never commit secrets to source control. Containerize using Docker and write a Docker file specifying base image, ports, and build steps. Set up a CI pipeline that builds, tests, and publishes artifacts on every pull request. Use Azure App Service or static site hosting with CDN for global caching and fast load. Monitor performance with application insights and collect logs, exceptions, and user metrics continuously. Automate secrets via Key Vault, use HTTPS, and enforce security headers for production readiness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.